All right, everyone. Here we are, back at the Ortega River. Got Ethan with me. We're gonna see if we can't catch a fish. Got out here just a little bit late, but it's all good. I'm gonna start off. Sun's just a little high, but just coming over the tops of the trees now. See what I can do with this devil's horse. Today is the day before, what is today, Wednesday? The day before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving Eve, that's true. We decided we had a little bit of time. We wanted to get out here and see if we could pick up a fish or two. The tide at the Ortega River entrance is supposed to be low, around 8 and some change. So it's supposed to be low right about now, which is maybe not the most indicative of fishing here right this second. We need some flowing water. But my kids, Christian and Ethan, both have been killing it in some local ponds. I mean, they caught a 6-pounder the other day in a neighborhood pond. Caught like probably 10 fish. So maybe. Hung up. I could probably get you to it. Yeah, that's because this is that one spot where you caught all those crappie that one day, right off that hump that comes up. In here, we have a big drop off that's probably 20 feet out here to our right, and then just on the inside here, some spots comes out to only a couple feet. But there's a big deep hole and a big slough or a trough that's right in here, and this is where in the past we started right here, and he caught 5 or 6 crappie right here in this one spot. Again, like we always say, one fish makes a video. So let's see if we can get one fish. But we're gonna switch it up. I'm gonna throw, I tied on, oh, I don't know if I brought it. Oh yeah, there it is. So I tied on and I made this bait for you guys. This double swim bait rig. So we're gonna see if we can't get that to swim right. Yep. Yeah, that lure is holding it together. That double swim bait rig, we just need to see if we can catch fish with it. And I'm speed reeling it and pausing it. I gotta get out some. I'm still in this shallow water. Too shallow. We need to be kind of fishing the edge. Throw that. No, like your Oh, that was a fish. I did just have one nail it.
What is that?
Yeah, the double swim bait. Oh, they hit it again right there. Throw it in there. I want y'all to know there's a magic hour where these fish, right now it might be a little tough to catch fish, but there's a magic hour that is potentially going to happen here when this tide turns and starts flowing the other way with a good flow. Right now it's just a little light flow where we're at. Oh, yeah, he got him one. There we go. Looks like a little bass. Yes, sir. What are you fishing? Nico?
Rig.
Looks like a June bug Nico rig. What color? Black. Razor baits?
No, it's Zoom.
So a Zoom. He's got a Zoom
It's the same
finesse.
as yours, though. Just a black Zoom.
Zoom finesse, except that's got a flat bottom. We make one that's very close to this. Ours is a full round, but that's the Zoom finesse worm.
I didn't feel like going out to the top last night. It was like
All black.
10 o'clock. Oh wait, no, that was 2 days ago. But I tied this one.
Okay, well, I mean, it's not a big fish, but one fish makes a video.
If I can get him on hook, I'd show you how to fish.
Let's get a picture of them. 1, 2, 3. Pretty too.
Mm-hmm.
He's a little chilly.
Here he is, little guy. Switched it up. That was like, I'm pretty sure that was my second cast with the Nico rig.
Second cast with a black
I got a 1/64 ounce tungsten nail.
Nico rig. Yeah, I might have to switch it up and go full finesse.
I wasn't expecting it to happen that fast.
You fishing it just like a Nico. You don't have, yep, good.
I went to go pop it and I was like, where's the weight? He just picked it up and threw him, I guess.
That's good. Oh my goodness. That was a big fish, y'all. Probably, I don't know what kind of fish it was. A mudfish maybe. It didn't jump. But there you go. It did get a bite. I didn't set the hook though. I just kinda didn't fully set the hook. Yeah, that might be a mudfish. I don't know. I didn't actually see it. It was a big fish though. You better reel that out there now. You get hung up with that. There's an alligator right here. Look at this little guy. He's trying to get my bait because I was working it on top. There we go, y'all. That was on the double rig. We finally got him. He rolled on it. Hold still.
That alligator came straight to the boat.
He rolled on it, and then I jerked it again. It's a little healthier one. Still small. He's about 12 inches. See if we can. Oh, got another one. Ethan got him one.
Straight to the alligator.
He's staying down. Oh, there we go. Well, a double up. Can't even see my phone. And it's almost. Let's try to get a. Here you go. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. And here's this gator right here. Let's see. 1, 2. There he goes. All right, y'all. The double rig did it. Finally caught one on the double swim bait rig.
Just a little bluegill. He's pretty.
And he caught one on his little swim bait. We need to catch some crappie like that.
Little slabs.
But we're gonna go ahead and hang this up, and I'm gonna try to switch it up now.
Put a fluke on.
But we did it with the double swim bait rig.
Finally caught one. You really wanted to. I could
Yep.
tell. You didn't put it down. You really. Why is he still here?
There it is. That's what we caught it on, y'all.
I was really hoping I did.
Throw your busted baits in the boat. Don't throw them out of the boat.
Why is the alligator still here?
We're gonna switch this up and put that little swim bait on now. Oh, we're not going nowhere because I put the power pole talon down. That gator thought I was gonna feed him, which I'm not. Don't feed the wildlife, y'all, because it makes them not scared of humans. And
Make him come up to the boat and think he has food.
yep.
And that's how people get hurt.
Oh, that's a mudfish. Man, he nailed it. He hit it hard. Oh, showing out. Look at that big old fish. Big old mudfish. I don't want the net. You're good. You're good. I just need some pliers. Ooh. I'm glad that hook is. Oh, he's about to spit that hook. Y'all watch. Ooh.
He's not spitting it. It's to his top lip.
Is it? It's just barely. Here, let me come around to the side and try to pick him up. Hold on. Let me try to pick him up. Here, hold this. Let me pick him up. I'm gonna try to pick him up in his gill plate. Yeah. We'll try. Ow. Oh, there he went. His plate, he wouldn't open his gills. His gill plate was shut. I couldn't get my hand between it. All right, y'all. Well, that's 3 fish. 2 other bites. Not the right species. Oh, look at that gray heron back there. Blue gray heron.
There was one of them.
fish landing violation. Fish landing violation.
He's pretty.
Yeah, he is. Hold still, bro.
I saw his markings when he fell on the
There we
side.
go, y'all. Little short, stubby, fatty. I mean, that, yeah, he is. He's got a little girth to him, but he's just a little baby. Little dink, squeaker dink. Right where he should have been, though. Oh, I had one on the tail, y'all. Had one on the tail. Look at it. It pulled my weight down, or my lure down a little bit. That might have been a bluegill, I guess. That osprey missed again. He come down and smacked him something. Oh, we got some little ones out there. That one's even smaller. There you go. I don't know how many fish that is, but he counts. That did. Ooh, had another bite right there. All right, y'all. Is that 3 bass and a mudfish for me? You hung up or you got a fish? Yeah.
Oh, son.
Yeah.
That's a slab.
Yep. Easy.
Oh, buddy.
Told you. Look at that, y'all.
That's a slab. What, man?
How did you catch it?
I just let it sink.
Yeah? Look at that crappie. That one's going in the boat.
That's a slab.
Where is your little minnow at? Your swim bait.
My swim bait?
Yeah, let me have it.
It's weird to cast.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. But
You can tighten it.
look here, I'm gonna throw this little guy. Yeah, that's worth a good picture now.
I need his tail to go down.
Look at that big old slab, y'all. 1, 2. Put him in the box and turn something on. Don't you dare. Oh, son. I don't remember. You have to turn them on and check. Ethan, this is hard to cast now. Nope. All right, y'all. About to not throw his fishing pole. He's got this line that is extra thin.
It's literally 6 pound line.
Little bass. That's a fish. That's a fish. Let's go.
There it is. Little guy.
Yep.
2 views. See you later, buddy.
Hey. But I think we're gonna have to call it, guys. We got things to do. Wife has a hair appointment today. We got a few last minute things to get wrapped up for Thanksgiving. If you're watching this video, I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving, because this is probably gonna be released after, but we'll see. So I hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. And I think this is gonna be my last cast.
On Thanksgiving Eve.
It went bump, but I think I hit that root. Or I hit something. All right, one more. We'll be doing our Thanksgiving tomorrow and then going to the hunting camp to try to wear them out. Well, try to shoot some deer. Oh dang, did I cast again? I wasn't supposed to do that.
You know what they say, last cast.
Yeah. But on a serious note, I hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. That helps us.
Go fishing.
Go fishing. Y'all have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving.